Hello everyone. So it's 27th of March and it's currently 11:43 p.m. So let's discuss what happened today and what we are expecting next. So the very first thing is that like I couldn't make the video on Friday, so I was extremely busy. And like even on Friday, if you come to our analysis, so I clearly said that like both the sides writing is going on. Okay, so uh, here I said that I mean both the sides the move will continue, and 17k put writers were active in the morning and overnight call writers were active. Okay, so it's not like and even you see that on Friday the same thing happened. Okay, last hour market fell drastically. Okay, and even it fell today, but there was a difference. So let me clarify. Like when it was falling the last time on Friday, I clearly said that like I have tracked them. I have tracked them in the morning on Friday morning, and I know that 17,000 put writers are there. Okay, and yes, so that's why I told that chances are very less that 17,000 will be taken down. And on Friday, though it closed below 17,000, but now today again, you can see it's though again today it closed, but it went today above like almost to 17,090. Okay, almost 17,100. So again, but finally again came down and ends just below 17,000. But today while coming down, there was something, that is the premiums were not rising up. Okay, so if you see here from 17,090 or whatever, so if you see that it fell to 16,000, if you can see the low here, that is 16,955. Okay, so more than 100 points fall, but you see, just look at the put side premiums. Okay, and also the call side premiums. So what was happening here, I mean market came down and call buying was going on at the very end. So that's why today also, like I went with, so you all know me, like those who have been following me for quite a long time. So yeah, in the morning put riders were escaping. So that was the very first thing, that is 927. So what happened was like when market was coming down here, so it was hitting the stop loss of some big players, and that's why some put riders were closing. But then suddenly again they initiated their positions. Okay, so I mean on Friday we discussed 17,000 put riders were active, and suddenly like the up move came, and yes, so our analysis it showed that our analysis was correct. That is on Friday put writing was done at 17,000. Okay, and 935 I told that now after just coming above 17,000 it will go sideways. So both the sides you will be able to see the move. And also since this week our expiry is on Wednesday, so both the side writers will be present, and that's what we can see very well. Okay, and at 1521 when I saw that premiums, there were some problems with the premium, so I clearly closed all my bearish positions. So I was mainly call short at 17,000, but I shifted to 17,100. Okay, and also like I went with put writing at 17,000. So I never go with put writing, but today went with put writing because like the last 30 minutes there was a signal, that is call buying was going on. Okay, so since call buying was going on, so yes, put writing would be a little safer, so that's why we went with put writing. And yeah, so the next thing is like talking about the indicators. So the indicators also showed strength in the first half. Again for Bank Nifty also the score suddenly jumped and showed strength. And coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty, so these levels are for I mean Nifty it just concentrated around 17,000 for the whole day. And yeah, and this thing, that is Bank Nifty, So Bank Nifty also, if you see, we clearly discussed about this level 39,347 several times, and Bank Nifty also concentrated around that level today. So the thing is that market is not going anywhere. It's just trying to throw out the option buyers. So even in the last video that I made on Thursday, so I clearly said that this is the time for option buyers not to go aggressive, but to save their capital. Even for the call writers also, the writers also, like it's not a very decent market to make money. So both the sides, things are getting hit, and it's not a good time to trade. So preserve your capital for the fine. When there will be a smooth move after all these hitting both the sides. Now talking about FIIs and DIIs, so they have FIIs have sold for 890 crores, but DIIs have bought for 1808 crores, and in FNO segment, FIIs have closed some of the positions in future short, and also initiated some future long positions, and also the same thing is being reflected in future stock. Okay, so I think they are changing the game plan just for this week, for this expiry. So coming to overall advance to decline ratio, if you see, okay, so this is taking time. So let's go to the end of the day data. Let it take time. So talking about the end of the day data, so if you see here, that is futures long positions are being initiated, but again overall future short somewhat has been decreased, but overall again future short is the dominating position. Short in short term, I think for short term these positions have been made and adjusted. And coming to the next thing, that is huge call buying has been done. Okay, so this is showing that like market can move up temporarily, and also if you look at huge call writing is also there, so just a temporary thing. So again, like one day up and then the next day it could come down, because these call writing positions have to be saved again. And also they have done put writing as well. And talking about prop decks also, they are also overall call they have call writing positions. But again, as you see, last week also they both FIs and prop decks, they had their call writing positions as majority of their positions, and that did not go well for them as well. So somehow they managed to close at optimal point, so that like they are neither at loss or profit. So that's the thing. So that's why like you need to be cautious, like things are not going as per the data points. And yes, now coming to the put buying positions. So these put buying positions, some extra put buying also has been done, but overall like most of the put buying today that has been bought, so they are just for their hedging purpose. And also tomorrow we have Nifty expiry, so market will be volatile. And that said, and if you look at prop decks, they have increased their future short position. So again, overall market data is hugely bearish, but I think like my conclusion is that bears, they're trying to hit the bears as much as possible before going down. Okay, so again the put writing positions that I have taken today, I might just as well close them tomorrow, because I won't wait for Wednesday for them to expire, because anything can happen in this market. So even looking at XGX Nifty, so whatever like things can change tomorrow morning. If you see, advance to decline ratio is not favorable, and if you look at XGX Nifty, so US markets are a little up, and also XGX is at 17,112 currently. So that said, like we can expect a gap up, and that would be like the thing. Like I will see what new fresh data comes in, and then I'll decide. Okay, so again my final conclusion today would be like yes, up move can come, but again, you have to wait for the ultimate position to sell. Okay, so you have to be a little bit cautious while trading, and you have to trade carefully. So as you have seen even last week also. Okay, so that's the thing, and market can trap you on any side. That's what I mean market is doing for past few days. You take position any side, you will get trapped. Okay, so that's the overall thing. Yes, I'll just I'll again short the market, but yeah, I have taken call writing positions at 17,100, as you can see here, but mostly I have shorted 17,000 put side. Okay, and yes, so again, if I see any thing that is even this is not the time where option buyers should be present. So here I clearly said that not getting a perfect signal to sell. So for option buying there should come a signal. Okay, so otherwise both side writing is going on, and so option buyers I mean should stay away from this market. Okay, like even if you would have said that I would have bought puts, I mean this huge fall came. Okay, but premiums were not did not rise as expected. Okay, so there are things which are not under our control, so we should be we should stay safe and stay away from such market, and also if you are trading, we should trade very safely. So that said, I think I have discussed everything. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and don't forget to put a like. See you in the next one.